Released in October last year, the GoPro Hero 9 was the most popular action camera of the year, with that 23 megapixel sensor, the fantastic 5K video quality, and then GoPro's own hypersmooth technology for that fantastic looking stabilization. The GoPro action camera is still king of action cameras, but it wasn't all great. There were several thousand reports of people having problems with their GoPro Hero 9, either black screens, freezing issues, people using their GoPro and the footage not actually recording, loads of software related issues wrecked this GoPro for a lot of people. But it has now been widely reported and leaked that we are expected to see the new version, the Hero 10, which should revive the GoPro completely imminently. The first signs and leaks of this new GoPro Hero 10 have emerged courtesy of Roland, Quadrant and WinFuture. So not only has Quadrant published marketing renders of this GoPro Hero 10 in black, but we also have revealed the specifications as well. So based on the images I'm just showing you, we can see that the screen and the tail light are the same, but the GoPro logo is now in blue on the front, which is different. So what spec increases are we expected to see compared to that Hero 9, and is it going to be worth an upgrade? So 5.3K video at 60 FPS, that's compared to 30 FPS on the Hero 9. 4K video at 120 FPS compared to 60 FPS on the Hero 9. So for me, 120 FPS at 4K, that's incredible. 2.7K all the way up to 240 FPS compared to 120 on the Hero 9. So again, double there as well. 23 megapixel photos versus 20 megapixel photos. We've got the new Hypersmooth 4.0 and then the Time Warp 3.0 as well. So fantastic spec upgrades there on paper. And if these are all rumored and these are to be true, wow, this is going to be great. We might also see improved video stabilization through the new Hypersmooth 4.0. It's not clear how GoPro are going to improve the already fantastic gimbal-like technology, but any improvement is going to be a good improvement. Let's hope for maybe not as much crop when using that. That would be fantastic. But I'm so excited to see this new Hypersmooth technology and this quality of this camera. GoPro have been around now for a decent length of time and are still the king out there, and to see improvements in this is only going to be better. For me, the hardware ability in spec is one thing, it's the software which needs to be improved. That software needs to be as rock solid as this stabilization. The live streaming is not expected to be improved, that remains at 1080p, so if you use this for live streaming, that's going to be the same, and neither has the time warp mode. We're still going to get the same 10 meter water resistance capabilities too as the predecessors. So when is this expected to come out? Well, imminently. This is being leaked all over the place, so we are expected to see this really soon. GoPro, as it did with the Hero 8 and Hero 9, normally brings their cameras out around about September or October. So when this is being recorded, this is going to be really soon. We are expected to see this imminently, within weeks, for this to be announced and normally to be available around 1 week afterwards. So this is fantastic news for not only the tech community, anybody who is wanting to say a action camera or to upgrade their action camera if you had one before. I can't wait for this camera to come out. But this also begs the question of, what are DJI going to be doing in response to this? The Osmo Action was a good camera and that competed well against GoPro's efforts. But that camera is also now getting old and needs a refresh. We are expected to see a Osmo Action 2 also out really soon. So DJI going to hold off before releasing their camera and then release theirs in round about the October time, which is expected. Either way, this is going to be good. I can't wait to test both of them. And what do you think? Are you going to be picking up the GoPro if you had one before? I can recommend it. I mean, I used to use my GoPro Hero 4 and 5 regularly on trips away, and it was fantastic. So I am certainly looking forward to this upgrade. So take care, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. I can't wait for this to come out. As soon as it does, we'll be showcasing a lot on this channel. Take care. Bye-bye.